Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to play music through your microphone in VoiceMod. So you want to go to voicemod.net where you will find get VoiceMod for free, and you want to press on it and it will link you to a direct download. Once you've downloaded VoiceMod, you simply want to open it up and it should bring you right here where it says limitless audio expression. You want to press on get started and it's going to say we're verifying your account, we're opening your browser to start the login process. So it's going to ask to verify your account. So you're going to give that a moment. And I'm going to be signing in with Google. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so I logged in and it says you've successfully logged into your VoiceMod account. So we're going to head back into the app and we just have to wait for this to load basically. Alright, so it has loaded and it should bring you here. Now, the first thing we want to do, give it a second. Okay, so good, it brought us here. So first we want to select our microphone. For me, it's going to be microphone Connexent Smart Audio, and our speaker or headphones, which for me is this one. And we're going to press on continue. And as you can see, when I speak, it is picking up my mic. Hello. Epic. Whoa. So as you can see, everything is working. Whoa. All right, so as you can see, everything is working. We've selected our microphone and our headphones, and you're gonna press out of this. Now, in order to do this, let's just come right here where you see soundboard. This is where you're gonna be able to choose what you want to add. So let's do, this is just an example, so let's do the gong. As you can see, that's what it'll sound like. So you want to press on add a keybind, and I believe you can do, let's do, alright, so now whenever I press 9, it will do the gong sound. Now, this is not something we want. This is not like the sound we want. So, in order to choose whatever sound we want, we're gonna head onto youtube.com. And let's do the funny ah sound effect. So, give it a second to load. And I believe it is this one. That's right. So, with this, you're gonna press on this. You're gonna copy the link on YouTube. You're gonna go to this website right here. It's called yt2mp3.info. And through here, we're just gonna paste the link and press on start. Now you're gonna press on download. It will redirect you, but close the tab. And as you can see, it's asking to download. So I'm gonna press on save. And it is downloaded. So now you want to go back to VoiceMod. You want to do add new. Actually, never mind. You can just press here and go to your downloads, and here it is. And this has been imported. So this is right here. So let's add a keybind. And let's do this right here. So now whenever I press this, so yeah, you can basically use this to troll around with friends, and or be very funny in like competitive video games, which I don't recommend doing. Like if you're playing CS:GO or Valorant competitive, do not open this unless you want your teammates to kick you or scream at you. Anyways, that's the video, everyone. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any problems with this, be sure to comment down below. Goodbye.